everybody! Today we are going to draw a flower. Let's get started! Yay! So first we have to open our Sharpies ink. Put the tabs on the back. Okay, so first we're going to draw one little line here. Then another one right here. Now we are going to draw some leaves like this. Draw this. And then another one right here. Next draw this. Then this, and this, and this, and this. Just draw little lines that connect like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. Okay, next we're going to draw a little curve right here. And the same side, and the same thing on the other side. And then we do like this. Then connect to here. Then we do the same thing on the other side but connecting to here. And then we connect over here to here. And then we do the little inside. We do this, like a half circle. Then we do this, like a squiggly one. And the same thing next to it. And then we do this, like another half circle but smaller. And the same thing on the other side. Next we are going to draw the ground. So like do this. Then we do this. And to draw the grass, we just do this. And then this. And you could do it wherever you want. That was fun! Yeah! Oh yeah, right! We were gonna color it. Oh yeah! We don't really have a big brain. Okay. We don't have a very big brain.
Yeah, I forgot to add something.
Add what?
That thingy. We can fast forward this.
Yeah. You could add some decorations. You could pause the video to match our colors, or you could do it however you want. Don't forget to press the like button and press subscribe. Well, bye! Bye! Bye!
See you again later. Maybe.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye! Why are we keeping saying that? Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye, Kalia.